All right, good morning. Hopping on these charts this morning. As you can see what Zealand dollar. You were in this Zealand dollar yesterday. This is what it did. That's what the odd did. Wow, it went crazy. And this is what the USD CAD did. I look at our TP, what we take and come back again. So yeah, the trades were great. I just didn't wanna. I don't swing trade, so I wouldn't really sit through all of that. So that was yesterday. Today's today. Looking at these pairs right here, right now, we're in a minor downtrend, but major uptrend. You can see what's going on, but we've been breaking structure to the downside, and on the Zealand dollar this is. So I'm looking to see what opportunities are there for us this morning on the charts. So okay, so Zealand has some friction points. I'll say over here with supply. Kind of want to wait and see, because we just tapped into this zone over here, and since then, we've been responding. Price has been responding with rejection. So let's be patient. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see. But right now, as it is now, the Zealand dollar is in sell mode. They could be targeting this area. There's demand over here. Huge demand zone. Let me see if we could narrow it down just a little bit. 5 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. On the 5 minute, I have nothing really. Nothing. I mean, that's it. H1. The H1 demand, but it was already tapped. So I don't know if they're going back up there. Just kind of waiting to see something a little bit cleaner. But we could in fact sell, get a nice little sell, even from where Zealand dollar is right now. Potentially, the Zealand dollar could give us this little move right here, and it is pretty weak. CAD. Now the Canadian dollar broke quite a bit of structure down there, but you've got this demand here, break of structure with demand over there. You can see it. Let me see. Okay, so this is my area of friction, I would say there. And then you've got demand down here again, untapped demand with gap, untapped with gap. So for now, the Australian dollar has that area of friction with supply. So yeah, with supply. So I do anticipate price pulling back up. We're trading away from the 200 right now, so we still could be in buy mode, but I am anticipating some selling before the news. So today is a crazy day. So so this is GBP news. 8 unemployment claims at 839.45. Whoa, what a day. What a day today is. Let me see. But the Zealand dollar is appealing for sells just because it's looking weak. However, that picture could change. Let me hop onto the 30-minute chart. 30-minute. Well, demand is here. We didn't tap it, but we're, you know, rejecting these lows over here, and could be heading back up into this area on the 30-minute, you know, for continued selling. I don't know. But let's see what happens right now. This is where the Zealand dollar is. It's an attractive little sell point. I don't know. Let's see. 7 would just say 8 pips on that. I would take the short, you know. I actually would take a short here on the New Zealand dollar. But let me just hang a sec. Let me hang tight for a minute. Let me hang tight. Yeah, I'm kind of believing that this is where now I'm more confident in maybe some more rejection, because we're just tapping back in here for the first time, potentially first time. Let's see. I'm gonna take a short on the Zealand dollar. First time trading on Sway. Morning. So I'm short Zealand dollar right here. Putting stops at 949. So this is what I was a bit afraid of with the Zealand dollar, but I'm still in it. I'm in it. I'm watching. I'm just trying to figure out right now. Setting my stop loss. Setting my stop loss on this platform. Are you kidding me? I did this before, guys. Just down 3 pips on this trade, but I don't like it. Everything is bullish, but I'm going to trust this minor trend setup. So I'm moving this just because I want to see the counter setup. The counter setup right here. Seeing this area. That's bad. We're closing with all that momentum above that area. That's bad. Let me see the Australian dollar. Okay. You know something? Gonna see what's going on, because now the Australian dollar is right into supply as well. Okay, right into supply as well, right into the friction point right there. And we could be heading into the MAs. Let me see what's what. Let me see what's what. Maybe 6, 5. I would not look to go for much more than that, to be honest with you. If I should take a short on the Australian dollar, this is what I'll be looking for. That's it. Nothing more. So that's my plan for now. So for now, I'm looking for price to come up in here and head down into this, at least this demand over here. That's what I'm looking at on the New Zealand dollar, on the Australian dollar, right? So I'm watching that. Sorry, that's the Australian watch. Zealand dollar, I am short. Terrible short, terrible, 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 terrible trade. Yep. So now price should be heading back down into this area, which is a little scary for me. Little bit scary for me. All that momentum. Let's look at it. Oh Lord. We are into this 30-minute friction, so Australian dollars yet to tap this area. Yet to tap in. So let me just put a little alert up there. I want to know when it's there. I'd love to see some rejection. Price pushing back beneath the 14, maybe getting back into this area. I don't know. Let me see. For me to take some commitment on the Australian dollar. Let's see. So this would not be a valid supply, but my friction points would remain valid. Right. Waiting on this candle close, and I'm gonna hop off for a minute. Get my kids ready for school. Well, we just tapped H1 supply. H1 friction. That would be great. Hold up now. Giving up on Zealand dollar. Has some potential here. Australian dollar almost at entry. My entry. Hold up. Don't give up just yet. Okay, there's my entry for my Zealand. It's my entry for my Zealand. So I'm gonna add my stops now. All right, let's step away from the charts for a minute. Stepping away from the charts, everything is running. Let me clear this up a little bit. So this is what we're into. We're heading down on the Australian dollar. Hope it smashes TP real quickly. And the New Zealand is also heading down. Okay, so this is our Australian dollar trade. All right, let's run. How about it? We melting, guys. We melting. Australian dollar melting. New Zealand dollar melting. Yeah, we back, baby. We back. So let's see what the Zealand dollar did. Awesome, awesome, awesome business, man. I closed when I was on the road. I closed at 7:30 down here on the Australian dollar and the Zealand dollar rather, the Zealand dollar. And I did close the Australian dollar right at the close of, no, right here actually, right here at 021 for 11 pips. Great morning. I thought oh, it was GBP news. It was the GBP news, man, and that threw me off. You see, I always like to be at the charts when I'm trading. I don't feel comfortable monitoring trades from my phone and all of that. But hey, it's a great morning, very profitable morning, and I'm happy with my results so far for the week. This is it for me though. No, this is the end of the trading week. I'm not a fan of Fridays. Occasionally, I may take a trade on a Friday, but for the most part, no way. No way. It's Monday, Tuesday. Not so excited about Wednesday. I really like trading on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. You know, some Wednesdays may be okay, but I find the market to be quite erratic on Wednesdays. There's a lot of news, and price action is just not the best. That's what I've found. So hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you had a great trading week. Hope you've learned something from yesterday's video, and I hope you've gotten something from this one as well. So until next time, peace out.